Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to change your air filter on a 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan. There's 8 screws around this box right here. This is the air filter housing. It's basically the same on most cars. You just look for big plastic holes or hose attached to the intake manifold. I did a video on my Volkswagen Jetta. I think it's basically the same exact setup, but yeah, you just all you do, you're loosening these 8 screws right here. You hear my child in the background being annoying. I'm gonna set the camera down so I can get to the left ones in the back. I'll be using my tools since I don't have my extension. There's the air filter. Take it out and inspect it. Alright, and here's my air filter. I just blew it out. Gonna show y'all it's dirty. It's not dirty. I mean, it's a little black, but as you can see, there's nothing really caught in it. So I think it's good enough to put back. So I'm gonna reinstall it and then we're good to go. Here's the housing. It's pretty clean. I saw a dead bug. Just took it out. Of course, you could clean out like which I will do. So here I am reinstalling it. Take the housing up. Put that right inside, face down. Air filters back in. So all you do is realign these bolts right here, or screws, and screw it back in. I like to do finger first just to make sure it's tight and it's lined up. That way you're not stripping anything. And it's good, so I'm gonna use my screwdriver and just tighten it down. Oh, I didn't mention earlier. There's a screwdriver. It's a T25. So if you're using power drill, what you could do is just start the screw yourself and then use your power drill to tighten it. And it's back tighten, everything's good. It's 8 screws, so I like to check myself from my shop days, and that's it.